Hey ladies, how's it going? It has been a long time. Anyway, I have something new to show y'all. It's a new, it's the same drill as I've seen others, but this is from a different brand, and it's called Airsee. Hope I'm saying it right. But anyway, this is it. And I really like this. I also got some drills that come with it. And I've always been wanting these type of drills for the drill bits for like the longest. And I finally got them, so I'm excited. All right, so let me go ahead and show you like an unboxing type thing, you know? So here we go. So I noticed, I have my hand in the way, so I apologize on that. I had to make my stand a little bit higher so you can be able to see what's inside. When I opened this, I was like, man, look at this drill. Super fancy. I think it's like super fancy. I really like it on how it looks, the packaging of the drill. So it's the same as the others that you've seen of Melody Susie. But this one, it just has another name on it. I don't know if there's any difference or anything because I do not have the Melody Susie drill. But so I'm just telling you what I'm seeing in here. And I really like the handpiece. It's very fancy. I have gotten the Melody Susie of the Scarlet, and it kind of looks like that one. But it's a little different, but I really like the way it looks. It looks very fancy. It looks like, luxury. It looks, it's good quality. So it comes with the little holder piece, which is always nice. It comes with the little holding tip for your drill. So you just put it on the side here. And then you go ahead and put your handpiece in there. And it holds it. See? I really like that drill. It's just the way it looks. It just looks really nice. I like it. So it has some drill bits as well. Pretty much, I'm going to be using these ones. I really don't use those little diamond bits. I've never really used them before. So, and then here is the, the power cord for you to charge your drill. So let's go ahead and look at this. This is how what comes underneath it. It has the forward and reverse. The belt clip has the on and off button, and then the little section where you can put your drill handpiece connected to. Oh, and just so you can see, like you can tell, like the two top ones are like more closer, and those you gotta match that. Anyway. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and turn it on so you guys can hear the speeds. And I was playing around with it, and I noticed, it does not go to 1 and 2. It goes straight to number 3. It doesn't have anything. And I like that it has the little battery symbol up there because the other black one that I had before didn't. All right, so we're going to go ahead and look at the handpiece. We have the name. It has the lock and the unlock. So you see the little black dot. You just have it to the unlock for it to come out. So we're going to go ahead and get one of these drill bits. And because I'm really excited because I've been wanting these drill bits for like the longest, and I finally got some. And I'm excited to test it out. So we're going to go ahead and use this one for right now, just to see. Just because I want to see it twirling. Anyway, so let's go ahead. We lock it. Does not come out. All right, so now let's go ahead and start hearing the speeds. And I am only going to be doing it like little by little, so you guys can hear. And I will talk very low, or maybe nothing at all, so you guys can just hear the speed. It does sound like it's really loud, but it's really not. And the vibration you could barely feel the vibration. Yes, you will feel air, because right on top of the name where it says Airsee, there's like little gashes that are in there, and that's where the little thingy twirls in there, and the air comes throughout the handpiece. So I mean, it's fine with me. You know, my hands sweat sometimes. I'm sure you all do. But anyway, yes. So what do you guys think? I mean, it did sound like it was really, really loud, but really, technically, you know, when you have the piece right in front of you, it's really not that loud. The handpiece has a good weight to it. I really like it. It's, you know, it's metal. It's metal all throughout the handpiece, and there's no rubber. I mean, really, it looks like it's very, you know, has good quality to it. So I really like that. So now what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and bring my little Natalie, my flexi hand. I had put some acrylic underneath, and then I also put a gel top coat on top. It's actually from Madam Glam. It will be some swatches on my next video. Anyway, so we're just going to go ahead, and this is real time. This is nothing of being fast forward or anything like that. Wait, no, it is. My bad. No, so anyway, yeah, I'm just, you know, shaving it off just because I wanted to see, you know, and this is just gel polish being taken off the acrylic, and then you will be seeing later down the video. And also, I had put my little, you know, the drill next to the corner of the video, so you guys can see what speed I was at. And then I keep increasing it a little bit so you guys can see, you know, the difference or anything. I really couldn't tell a difference from that, but I did notice that it's, you know, the acrylic is, you know, coming off, which is really nice. And that's because I didn't have it all the way up. When I had it all the way up, I was actually kind of scared for me, you know, that I just didn't. I've never had it that high before, ever. And for it to be this low, like at 10-15, it was already doing a really, really good job in drilling, you know, taking off the acrylic, debulking, taking the gel polish. Obviously, the gel polish is going to come off really quick, but, you know, with the acrylic, that was something that I was really surprised about. Now, I will give you guys another video maybe in a couple months down the road and give you an update on the drill. I don't know if you guys had seen my last video. I want to say maybe almost a year ago. I had another drill. I did the same video, and I want to say within the next couple of months, it quit. It died on me. So I had to get me another one. And yeah, and I was saying really good things about that one, and then never gave an update video. And yeah, so I'm probably gonna do that with this one. I hope it does not, you know, die on me like the other one did. So yeah, it sucked, but this one looked really, really nice. It's very durable. I really, really like it. Just the weight, the style of the handpiece, the way the actual machine looks itself. So yeah, I mean, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch it from here. I know I haven't done videos in a very long time. I've been out. I will give you another video, I want to say, in the next couple of days to let you know what's been going on with me. What, you know, I am still around. I'm still on my social media most of the time. I'm on Instagram, or if not, Facebook every once in a while. So if you guys want to chat with me, you can find me on Instagram with April with the Sparkle, Facebook with April with the Sparkle. And yeah, find me there and chit chat, see what's going on, or, anything like that. But yes, I am trying to bring out some videos for y'all so you guys can see. I've gotten so much different stuff here lately, and I really want to show you guys. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and go. Again, like I said, thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Give me a thumbs up. It has been a while, so my speaking has been a little weird because it's been a while since I've made a voiceover. But yeah, anyway, deuces, y'all. Bye. All right, guys, but before I go, will have the website down below so you guys can check it out. I believe it's going to be on sale right now. So like I said, it'll be down below. And thanks, guys. Bye.